Ay, ay, I walk around like that nigga. Finger on the trigger. If a nigga.
What is up, everybody? I have an unboxing video to do here. Using the webcam today. You see my other camera in the background. Let's get into it. I got a Manfrotto, and this is the compact action smart tripod with joystick and smartphone clamp. Do a lot with this. You can do a lot with this, and both for smartphone, suitable for CSC camera, suitable for DSLR camera, and it comes with, like I said, the mount for your iPhone, and it comes with a bag to carry your tripod in. I got this for about $70 from Best Buy, and this is the second Manfrotto tripod I have, because I have another one that's literally just for your cell phone, which is so dope. But let's get into the unboxing of this. The clip so you can put your phone in it. It does extend out because, you know, most of us nowadays, we have large phones. Already in the bag. Pull it out the box. Nothing else is in the box. Compact. It's an actual tripod. It's carrying case for it. Manual. What it looks like, it's very compact. What I like about it, and it's lightweight, so like when I do videoing on the go, I can just move with ease. And it's got like a gun to it. So this is how you gun handle to it. Where my old tripod, as you can see, it's, well, the reason why I got a new one because that one's broke, and I'm gonna show you how those little legs. Like, this thing is actually, it gets really big. See, each one, this thing keeps going down. Like, it is pretty big. That's another reason why I got it, because it's so compact. Like, you wouldn't even realize how tall this boy can get because it's so compact. Of course, Manfrotto makes some really good material, like for real, some really good material. It's taller. You can see this compact Manfrotto is taller than my actual tripod that I currently use. And this is so compact. In the same, like, this is why I love it. And then, like I said, you've got the attachment if you want to use your cell phone. Got the attachment. I also want to show this to you because I already have this attachment, because I also have this handy dandy thing, and it's a tripod. The same attachment because it's literally just for your cell phone, and I love it. I have an even bigger one for DSLR camera and for my cell phone if I choose to mount this on here. But this is really cool. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of that. I got it for, I believe, $60-70 at Best Buy, and